So, Jai Hind to everyone. Very good evening to all of you. Today, we'll be discussing about the greatest Greek philosopher called as Plato. So, Plato was born around 429 BC and was considered alive till 347 BC. Plato has given seven virtues which he considered compulsory for a welfare state. So, out of which four virtues are called as cardinal virtues, and other three are called as theological virtues. We will be discussing about cardinal virtues in this video. So friends, there are total four cardinal virtues and we will be dealing with them one by one. So the first virtue says prudence. The word prudence means in Hindi as Vivek. So the person that is having prudence और ऐसा व्यक्ति जो विवेकशील हो will be very discreet in practical affairs. This virtue is also called as the charioteer of other virtues, as the person with prudence will develop other virtues one by one. Also called as the footprint of wisdom, the third and the foremost thing written in this left side of the screen. So friends, the next virtue is justice. We all know justice. Justice is called as nyay in Hindi. It is the flawless order by which every human being do their business. In other words, we can call as justice according to the terms of Plato is justice in the state means justice in the individual who form the state. As it is written here on the left side of the screen, justice in life and the conduct of state is possible only when it resides in the heart and souls of the citizen. So Plato is saying that if the individual in themselves do the justice, then only the state can provide justice. All right. So we'll be discussing the third theory of virtue, that is temperance, called as Sanyam in Hindi. सो टेम्परेंस और संयम एक व्यक्ति को किसी भी गलत रास्ते पर जाने से रोकता है. इन इंग्लिश वी कैन से दैट इट प्रोटेक्ट्स अगेंस्ट एक्सेस. ऑब्वियसली अगर व्यक्ति संयमित होगा तो वो किसी भी चीज़ की अति नहीं करेगा. अनदर थिंग आई हैव रिटन हियर इज सेल्फ रेगुलेशन. सो द person will be very much regulated within himself. Okay, the last and the most important virtue is fortitude, also called as courage. In Hindi we know that courage is called as sahas. So the courage or the fortitude is the one virtue which removes obstacle from the way of justice. So the one person having courage is very much willing to sacrifice his own life for others. The courage enables us to face difficulty that comes in the way of justice. So this point is also important. Fortitude is the route to take to get out of it. So you can also add the same point that it also enables us to face difficulty that comes in the way of justice. So friends, we have dealt with all the four virtues or the cardinal virtues given by Plato, who was a Greek philosopher, and in हिंदी it is called as प्लाटो के सद्गुण। तो सद्गुणों की बात हमने कर ली, चारों प्रकार के सद्गुण हमने देख लिए इस वीडियो में। और मैंने आपको बताया कि टोटल प्लाटो ने 7 वर्च्यूज दिए थे, जिसमें से 4 को कार्डिनल कहा जाता है और 3 को theological. I hope you all have understood the concepts related to theory of virtues. We will be meeting in our next video with another philosophy and another Western philosopher. Till then, thank you so much. Jai Hind.